And hi everybody out there, Mark Mannering here from Class Training, just with a quick video on how to use our training files with the Class MYOB Daily Processing training course that we run, whether you're doing some self-study or running a training course yourself. It's a little bit fiddly with the adapted Clearwater file that we have set up for the training. So just going to show you how to set that up so that you can do the training yourself or run your own course, as I said. Now, when this is set up correctly and you start your MYOB, you should see the training file listed here already, the Clearwater Premier, as it says there, base training file. So once all this is set up, you start your MYOB, that should come up straight away. So you can just click and open it up and away you go with the course. Now, first up, if you haven't downloaded the zip file of the training files, we just go to our website, classtraining.com.au, resources here and training files. And we then click on MYOB and then MYOB Daily Processing. We come down here and just click the download button on the right hand side and just download the zip file to the desktop, for example. And that's only about 10% of what you've got to do around about. So there's my zip file already. I'm going to extract that properly just to the desktop. So you go right click, and if you've got WinZip already installed, you'll go down to WinZip and extract from there. Otherwise, you'll just go extract all with the Windows extractor. So if I click extract to the folder here, and there's the extracted folder on my desktop with all the files you need. Now, the first thing we need to do is to check that the Clearwater file is not already on your computer. The way we do that quickly is to go into the folder here, and I've got a file path or text file here with the file path for the MYOB files. I'll just bring this up. There's the file path. I'm just going to select all that, right click, copy, come out of that. I go into my folder area here, file path area here, right click, edit, and Control V to paste that in. And it shows me the files, the MYOB files already set up on my computer. And yes, I do have a previous Clearwater base file there. Make sure you click that one, not anything else that might be in there. So our training file you're going to set up will be called Clearwater Premier-base. Make sure you click that because this is the old one. And I'll just delete that and it's gone. And I'll just come out of this folder now. So now the last big step is to go into MYOB and restore the backup that you've downloaded. Now MYOB is remembering the old base file that was there. So I'm just going to get rid of the little shortcut, right click and remove from list. Then very importantly, I go down to restore a backup file. Click that. I now browse to the desktop where I extracted all those folders. So I'll come up here and go to my desktop. There's the folder there. There's the Clearwater base file that you're going to use for the training. Now notice how it says 2018-2. That's for the 2018.2 version of MYOB. If you've got a later version, that's okay. It will just upgrade this one. So I just double click that now. The full name goes into the company file name area there, and I just say restore, and straight away it will open it up. Now, if it's a later version MYOB that you have, it will ask you to upgrade to the later version. Yes, you should. So I'll go click here. Are we sure? Yep. And OK. Open upgraded file. And there's our training file for the daily processing course. You can see the name top left there, and away you go. Now I just quickly exited out then. I've just restarted MYOB. It remembers there's the new file there that I'm going to use for the training. I just go click and open it up, and all good, and away you go with the course. Any problems that you might have, just email me there at mark@classtraining.com.au, and all the best with it. Thanks a lot. Bye.